Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. 9 smart cleaning tips you need to know. Number 1. Clay powder. Clay powders have absorptive and absorptive properties that make it a versatile home cleaning supply. Sprinkle a layer of clay powder over oil spots, and it will absorb the mess after a few hours. Mixing it with borax, sodium percarbonate, and washing soda will give you a homemade laundry detergent. Sprinkle clay powder on areas with a nasty scent and leave it overnight. Vacuum it in the morning, and the bad odor will be gone. Number 2. Pumice. Pumice stones can be used to clean the toilet and oven. It can remove pet hair from carpets and upholstery. Number 3. Tea tree. A few sprays of tea tree oil can help clean and disinfect anywhere in your home. It can also be used to deodorize your kids' and husband's smelly socks and clothes. It is also effective at freshening up sheets and towels. Your rubbish bins no longer have to get super smelly by adding 4 drops of tea tree oil into it before the bag goes in. Number 4. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus comes with a clean, fresh scent, making it perfect for toilet and bathroom use. It can also act as a natural disinfectant and can get rid of stubborn stains and grease. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Number 5. Lavender. Add 6 drops of lavender oil and white vinegar in a spray bottle. You can use this to clean the bathroom and kitchen basins thanks to its disinfectant properties. It can also be added to an unscented washing up liquid. Lavender also has unique features that can repel insects like moths, ants, and cockroaches. Number 6. Lime. You can use lime instead of lemon when it comes to making natural cleaning solutions for your home. Mix lime juice with vinegar and water, and you will get a spray disinfectant. You can even add essential oils for a much better scent. Mix lime juice and salt to create a paste for scrubbing copper pots. Number 7. Pine. Mix pine essential oil with liquid Castile soap and water. This simple cleaning solution can be used to clean your wooden furniture and floors. Number 8. Cornstarch. Cornstarch can be used to create glass and window cleaners. Add water to it to form a paste that you can use to clean silver. It can also be used as a gentle scrubbing cleaner for pans, pots, and glass cooktops. Sprinkle cornstarch and baking soda on rugs, and they will absorb odor and dirt. Number 9. Castile soap and hot water. Mix 1/8 to 1/4 cup of Castile soap to 1 bucket of hot water to make a cleaning solution that will work well on your floors. But never use this mixture on waxed wooden floors because its properties can break down the wax. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out 5 tricks to help you have a clean and tidy home. Feel free to share our videos to other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products.